So when I went into coma that morning of November 10th, I went in pretty much as a materialist neuroscientist who was very confused by the brain-mind conundrum. And it turns out that when I came out of that, and especially over the 2 months following my journey and trying to put it all together, because my brain was absolutely wrecked from the experience. But that was the real beauty of it. So I want to take you through that whole process. So in that journey, in that coma that began on November 10th, 2008, I woke up with severe back pain, severe headache. Anyone with any medical knowledge would hear those two terms and immediately think meningitis. But it was so rapid that the doctor was already out. Within a few hours of symptom onset, I was having grand mal seizures and basically was gone from this world for the next week. And things were very dire for my family and for many of the friends who knew me. I was taken to the hospital room, emergency room seizing. Well, it started in what I call the earthworm's eye view. That's my first memory of my deep coma journey. It was like being in dirty jello, deep underground. I had strong feeling of roots or blood vessels all around me. I had no body awareness at all. I was just a speck of perception, able to witness and kind of record and observe. And that's what happened. And in that earthworm eye view, it was very murky. And as I said before, I had no language. None of my earthly concepts remained. So even though I had no language, I could still wonder, what, how, where, who, what is going on? And in that environment, I never really got a flicker of response. But the good news is, even though I couldn't remember moment to moment, because with the damage to my brain, any kind of time flow or anything was not being recorded. But I didn't stay there forever. I was rescued. On my journey, in that earthworm eye view, there came this slowly spinning pure white light with that musical melody that opened like a portal up into this rich, vibrant, ultra-real realm that I call the Gateway Valley. And that had many Earth-like features. I was a speck of awareness on a butterfly wing. There were millions of other butterflies looping and spiraling in vast formations. And below us was this verdant valley, very fertile, lush, filled with growth and life. No sign of death or decay. All of the plant life, very rich and green. Textures, blossoms, buds, flowers, everything opening. Incredible richness. And below this butterfly view into this valley, thousands of souls dancing between lives, as I put it in my writings weeks later, trying to record all this. All these beautiful souls. And lots of joy and merriment. And I remember seeing children playing and dogs jumping, incredible festivities. And it was all being fueled because up above were these swooping orbs, pure golden orbs of light and vast formations emanating chants and anthems and these incredible hymns.